Have you seen this? A brand new channel, just a few months old, is already pulling in over 77,000 subscribers and racking up hundreds of thousands, sometimes even millions of views per video. With that level of engagement, the channel is likely making between $5,000 to $10,000 per month, if not more. And they didn't need a big production team, expensive gear, or even to show their face. So what's their secret? They've tapped into one of the most emotionally powerful and underrated niches on YouTube: relationship advice for women, told through the lens of psychological storytelling. But not just any psychology. Their content blends Carl Jung's shadow work, emotional projection, attachment dynamics, and the hidden patterns of male desire, delivered in a way that feels intimate, raw, and addictive. These aren't just videos, they're emotional experiences. They speak directly to deep-seated fears and forgotten wounds. It's the kind of content that doesn't just grab attention, it holds it. Viewers don't just watch, they feel and they come back again and again. Here's the good news. You don't need a psychology degree or even a voiceover artist to create this type of content. Because in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create these kinds of emotionally gripping, psychologically rich videos using free AI tools. From writing Carl Jung-inspired scripts to generating cinematic visuals and voiceovers, every part of the process can now be done with AI. So stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing the full workflow and exact tools. Now let's dive in. The first step to creating powerful content in this niche is choosing the right topic, one that instantly taps into psychological curiosity, relationship dynamics women deeply resonate with, and blends Carl Jung's emotional projection. To make this process easier, I've put together a Google Doc with prompt you can use to generate highly engaging, emotionally driven video topics, perfectly tailored for this relationship psychology niche. You'll find the link to that Google Doc down in the description, so make sure to check it out. And if you've made it this far in the video, do me a quick favor, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm to share this with more creators who want to build successful channels using smart AI-powered content strategies. Now let's keep going. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the description, copy the topic prompt templates, and paste it into your preferred AI text generator. For this video, we're using ChatGPT, a fast, free, and powerful tool for content ideation. After pasting the prompt, just type in how many video topic ideas you'd like to generate, whether it's 5, 10, or more, and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a list of emotionally engaging, psychology-driven video topics tailored for the relationship advice niche. Go through the suggestions and pick the one that resonates most with your content goal. And if nothing quite clicks, just ask ChatGPT to regenerate. It's like having an idea machine that never runs dry. This step is key to making sure your video titles spark curiosity, emotion, and clicks. 3 things the YouTube algorithm loves. Now that we've selected our topic, the next step is to generate our script. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the script prompt. Then return to ChatGPT and paste it into the chat box. Start by entering how long you want your video to be, whether it's 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or longer. After that input, the number of the topic you selected earlier. Once you click enter, ChatGPT will begin crafting a psychologically rich, emotionally resonant script, tailored to trigger curiosity, connection, and deep viewer engagement. It will automatically weave in powerful themes like emotional detachment, relationship advice for women layered with Carl Jung-style psychology, and deep emotional storytelling, making your content not only clickable, but highly watchable from beginning to end. Let the AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on building a channel that keeps viewers hooked and craving for more. The next step is to generate our voiceover, and for this, we'll be using ElevenLabs. Start by heading over to ElevenLabs and create an account. Once you're logged in, click on Instant Speech. This will take you to the voiceover creation dashboard. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the script you just generated. Then return to ElevenLabs and paste it into the text box. Now click on Voices and explore the available AI voices. Look for a tone that matches the emotional depth and reflective quality of Carl Jung's style: calm, insightful, and grounded. Or, if you want to go a step further, you can even clone Carl Jung's voice to get Jung-inspired narration. Once you've selected the voice that fits your video's mood and message, click Generate Speech. Within seconds, the AI will produce a natural-sounding, emotionally engaging voiceover that's ready to use. And just like that, your voiceover is complete. Go ahead and download the audio file to your device. The next step is to get our visuals. We'll be using a combination of AI-generated visuals and stock video footage to create that emotionally immersive, story-driven feel. Let's start with the AI images. First, we need image prompts. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the image prompt. These prompts are crafted to create visuals that match the emotional tone of relationship psychology content. Then return to ChatGPT. Paste in the image prompt and enter the number of visuals you want to generate, whether it's 5, 10, or more. Then hit enter. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a list of highly detailed cinematic image prompts that you can use with your favorite AI image generator to generate the images. Now that we've got our image prompts ready, it's time to turn them into beautiful cinematic visuals. For this step, we'll be using Google's ImageFX. Head over to ImageFX and sign in with your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, click on Settings and make sure to change the aspect ratio to 16:9. This is the standard format for YouTube videos and ensures your visuals fill the screen without black bars. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt you generated. Return to ImageFX, paste the prompt, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, the AI will produce 4 cinematic images based on your prompt. Browse through the results. Choose the one that best fits your video's theme and download it to your device. Repeat this process for the rest of your prompts to generate the rest of your images. Now to get our stock video, head over to pexels.com, then search for landscape, and then click on the Videos tab. Explore the collection and download clips that feature calm, cinematic motion. Sunsets, forests, waves, golden hour lighting, anything that supports the emotional atmosphere of your video. Combining AI-generated imagery with cinematic stock video gives your content a polished, emotionally immersive look that not only holds attention, but tells a story. The next step is to get background music for our video. You can use the YouTube audio library to find royalty-free tracks. Just go through the list and download the one you want. But for this video, we'll be using Suno. Start by opening Suno and creating an account. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon to open the music creation dashboard. Since we're only looking for instrumental background music, no vocals, make sure to select the instrumental option. Next, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a style of music perfect for this video. Then click enter, and in seconds, ChatGPT will suggest the perfect style of music. Copy that suggested style and return to Suno. Paste the music style into the input box. Give your track a simple title and click Create. In a few moments, Suno will generate 2 original instrumental tracks based on the style you provided. Let's preview both tracks. Now download your preferred track directly to your device. The final step is to bring everything together with editing. And for this, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut, then click on New Project and import all of the AI-generated images and stock videos you downloaded earlier into the timeline. Next, go to Aspect Ratio and change it to 16:9, the standard format for YouTube. Then stretch each clip to fill the frame completely. This will remove any black edges and ensure your video looks clean and professional. Next, click on Audio and upload the voiceover you created with ElevenLabs. Carefully listen through it and cut out any unnecessary pauses. This keeps the pacing tight and the viewer fully engaged. Now begin arranging your images and stock clips to sync visually with your voiceover narration. Let the visuals support the story being told. Match moments of emotional depth with cinematic imagery that enhances the feeling. To keep your visuals flowing smoothly, let's add transitions between clips. Click on Overlays, browse the available transitions, and choose one that suits your aesthetic. Then hit Apply to All to create consistent movement throughout the video. For static AI images, add subtle movement using the zoom in effect. Select an image, add a keyframe at the beginning, then move to the end and adjust the scale slightly to add another keyframe. This creates a slow, cinematic zoom that adds life to still images. Repeat this for each static shot. Now let's enhance the visual experience further by applying video effects. Click on Effects, then select Video Effects and explore the library. Choose one that matches your video's mood and drag it across the entire timeline for consistency. Next, import your background music into the timeline. Then trim out any excess audio and lower the volume so it gently supports the voiceover without overpowering it. To make our video even more engaging, let's add captions. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions. Choose a caption template that fits your branding and click Generate. CapCut will automatically create captions based on your voiceover. Once they appear, increase the font size and reposition the text to a visible but non-intrusive spot on the screen. When everything's in place, play back your video from start to finish. If you're happy with how it turned out, click Export. Set your video resolution to 4K and download the final video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result.
Have you ever wondered why a man's desire deepens only after you disappear? Some women don't chase, not because they're playing games, but because they've seen through them. He won't tell you this, but his hunger often awakens in absence, not presence. In her silence, he meets his own shadow, projected fantasies, unmet needs, the mirror of his own lack. Carl Jung taught that what we do not bring to consciousness appears in our life as fate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop your question in the comments section.